CNC machines are so precise that can carve perfect shapes out of many materials. This one is working on a piece of metal to create a chess bishop. A few condoms of each batch are tested with water and air to test their resistance. This machine produces 24 hot dogs every second. A lathe is a machining tool that is used primarily for shaping metal or wood. It works by rotating the workpiece around a stationary cutting tool. The benefits of CNC milling include its ability to cut a wide range of materials. Some crops need raised beds to grow correctly. The optical lenses used in laser cutting can focus the beam on a workpiece of just 0.001 in. To make a suitcase, a hard sheet of plastic is heated up, and air is blown upwards under it. In the mid-1960s, researchers from the Western Electric Engineering Research Center produced the world's first laser cutting machine, which they used to cut holes in diamonds. A road marking machine is a device to delineate diverse traffic lines on concrete surfaces. The bottles are pressurized with CO2 so that when the beer is forced into the bottles under pressure, it doesn't foam up too much. Each type of milling machine brings a different set of perks. Vertical mills tend to be smaller, cheaper, and slightly easier to use than horizontal mills. Quilt rolling machines extract all the air from a quilt by rolling it tightly. Within the past 15 to 20 years, technology has made it easier to produce museum-quality canvas pictures prints for consumers. There are over 9,000 variations of purpleness active on the commercial market. The lines vary from classic to unusual tones. A cooked meat slicer makes the job more efficient and ensures perfect cuts. Here you have how stainless steel is engraved by a portable handheld laser marker. The leather edge beveler helps make the corners look smooth and even, and is easy to use. The bottom of pans and pots have metallic circles that allow quicker heating. Dynamica SK78 is 12-strand braided rope produced with HMP Dyneema. The foundation of a building is essential to get a stable structure. Deep holes are dug for the concrete structure that will hold the building. Mussels grown on wooden poles are harvested by using a hydraulic-powered system. Water jet cutting is simply an accelerated erosion process within a selected material. Highly pressurized water is fired through a ruby or diamond nozzle into a mixing chamber. Old cast iron can be sanded to remove upper coats of damaged material or paint, varnish, and other coatings. Damascus steel is a famed type of steel recognizable by the wavy light and dark pattern of the metal. Separators vibrate infection pieces to split all the smaller parts in seconds. Construction 3D printing is a method for manufacturing construction elements or entire buildings. Additive manufacturing is the process of creating an object by building it one layer at a time. Machines might be a bit slower but deliver a constant perfect job. This wheel is stripped to prepare it for a new coating. Plastic covers are used to keep a burger's shape. These tanks contain a caustic hot water solution that can strip most paints from ferrous surfaces. Stone cutting machines have a rigid self-propelled frame that, in most models, moves along tracks. From paint storage, to mixing, to application, every aspect of the paint process needs care and detail. Leather tools need to be precise and sharp to get clean cuts. This is how the body of a spoon is shaped. When metallic objects are shredded in trash processing plants, large magnets are used to move the debris.